One of the biggest manifestation traps is lack of awareness of the power of our emotions. Because everything that we want to manifest is because we think in the having of it that it will bring us happiness, joy, a good feeling. Whatever it is, take a look at that. Whatever it is that you are wanting, it is because you believe that you will feel better. Life will be better and you will feel better because of that. So the trap is, people say, you might even say, I will be happy when this happens, some manifestation happens. I'll be relieved when this happens or that happens. A particular manifestation happens. Is that you? Because that's the trap. The emotion comes first, and then the manifestation happens. And if we wait for the manifestation, the desired manifestation to happen first, we will always be in the trap. If we're waiting for the manifestation to come first so that we can feel a certain feeling, I will be happy when, I will be content when, I'll be so excited when, I'll be so relieved when, I can finally stop worrying when this happens or that happens, a desired manifestation happens. It just doesn't work that way. We have to be the emotion first of the emotion in our desired reality so that it will match us. Like attracts like in this universe. This universe is run on the law of attraction. We have to be the frequency of what we desire, or the key, and then that brings the whole so that we can use that key to open that door. That is the piece that's necessary. A consistent emotion, at least dominant emotion. Doesn't have to be all the time, but a dominant emotion that is in alignment with the desired manifestation. What is the feeling that you're going to have, or you say you'll have, after you've received the desired manifestation? And what is holding you back from having that feeling, that emotion now? Master that, and you will master manifestation. And in that way, you are in control of your life. And there is no outside event, person, or thing that will control how you feel on the inside. Master your inner world, and you will master manifesting in the most delightful ways. So how much resistance do you have to that? How much doubt, confusion, I can't, do you have in relationship to manifesting by having the precursor, the prerequisites, the mandatory emotions first? How much of that resistance can you let go of now so that you can have the desired emotions that you need to manifest with ease? Breathe in and breathe out. Take some nice deep breaths. Out with the old self, in with the new self. Out with the old emotions, in with the new emotions. Keep breathing until you feel the shift within. And continue to work on this new skill and master it. You don't have to master it at 100%. If you can get 60 to 70% of this skill down, watch how your life changes. 70 to 80% down. Watch how your confidence zooms, soars. Have at it, have at it, have at it. You've got this. You have got this. This is Carol at True Self Unmasked, and thank you for listening. If you're struggling with negative self-talk, there is an ebook in the description. You're Not Going Crazy, 101 Ways to Silence Your Inner Critic. Thank you. I'm here every day. You're welcome to join me again tomorrow.